Hello, Thế Sơn.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
Good. Let's go here. Today we're going to talk about nature. Guess what is it?
Bee.
No, please.
Sun.
Good job. Let's go here. What is it?
Cloud.
Okay, let's go here. Can you put your hands down? Good. Let's go here.
Football.
Good. Let's go here.
Sun.
Okay, let's go here.
Cloud.
No, please. Bird.
Bird.
Okay, good. Let's go here.
Ladybug.
Good job. Let's go here.
Tree.
Good. Let's go here.
Bumblebee.
Good job. Let's go here.
Butterfly.
That's very good. Now, what do you see in the sky? I see.
The
Let's go.
sky.
Okay. I see a rain.
Rainbow.
Good. Let's go here.
Sun.
Okay.
Cloud.
Now, please.
Fire.
Okay. Good.
Dog.
Okay.
Cloud.
That's very good. Now, let's go here. What color is the sun?
Sun.
Is.
Yellow.
Good. How many colors? Let's count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Good job. Now, let's go here. Can you sing the song? I can sing a rainbow. Okay, let's go here. Can you sing butterfly, butterfly? 1, 2, let's go.
Butterfly, 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 butterfly.
Ladybug,
Bug,
ladybug, ladybug, ladybug,
bug,
ladybug, ladybug, ladybug,
bug,
lady.
bug.
Let's go. Bumblebee,
Bumblebee, bumblebee, bumblebee, bumblebee,
bumblebee,
Bumblebee.
bumblebee,
bumblebee, bumblebee.
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 Okay, that's great. Give me 5. Yes, thank you. Goodbye.
Bye bye.